Good morning, y'all. Well, I just got dropped off by Stanimals Hostel at the trailhead that I got picked up yesterday. Stanimals was an awesome place to stay. They were really good hosts, and yeah, it was a great little town of Glasgow. It's a pretty small town, but they had everything you need: Dollar General, a little market, and a little diner we could eat at. But yeah, I got dropped off. I got dropped off at the trailhead and by the bridge that I left yesterday. But today's plans, I don't really know. I just know we got an uphill climb from here. I think it's Bluff Mountains what we're gonna be climbing. It's over 3,000 feet, but it's gonna be straight up. Well, it's gonna be gradual. I don't think it's gonna be too crazy all the way up there, but yeah, I'm probably gonna shoot for somewhere between 15, 20 miles, who knows. But I have a 4-day resupply in here. It is, I think, 76 or 77 miles to Waynesboro. That's a good 4 days. So that's my plan. But yeah, it's enough of me talking. Let's get to hiking. Oh, and also I want to point out that I ran into my old group that I was hiking with at Stanimals. So yeah, Mantra, Bougie, OTC, and Dez. We all got dropped off at the same time, so you guys might see them again in today's videos or tomorrow's, who knows. They may just keep on hiking and leave me in the dust, but I'm usually in the back anyways. But yeah, it's nice to hike with them again. But yeah, and I also want to point out that Stanimals, yeah, they were great. They also cooked for breakfast pancakes, apple pancakes and blueberry pancakes, and they were awesome. I might have ate like 7 of them, but they were good. Yeah, and I just checked far out. It's going to be 4 miles until we're to the top of the first climb, and then it'll be about 8.8 miles till we're actually at the top of Bluff Mountain. So it's an uphill climb, starting it off. All right, I just wanted to put that in there. What's up, y'all? Well, we climbed Bluff Mountain, and then we took a break at some forest road. There was a water source there, so we just took a break there. Pretty long siesta. But yeah, we kind of have an idea of where we're going to stay tonight. There is we've gone 11.6, 11.7 so far today. There is a waterfall called Brown Creek Falls, I believe. We're gonna get there, and then there's also a shelter. It's called Brown Creek Shelter. That's in, I think, another 7 or 8. I think it's 8 miles, but between that falls and the shelter, we're gonna be looking for campsites. And if we don't find anything, we can just stop at that shelter. Yeah, that is the update for now. Heading to Brown Creek Falls. That's right. How about that? 800 miles. I've walked 800 miles. Man, that's quite the accomplishment. Let's go walk 800 more. guess it's gonna be a day. I just want to get on here and say thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the morning.